How to fix CapCut's network error, click to retry problem. This issue is particularly frustrating for users in India or countries where CapCut is banned. But don't worry, I've got a super simple solution that'll have you back to editing in no time. This solution works for both mobile and PC CapCut users. So, here's the problem. You've managed to download CapCut, but when you try to download assets like stickers and transitions, you get this annoying network connection error. This is because CapCut is still recognizing your location as being in a restricted country. Now to fix this problem, you must first close the CapCut app completely. And then you need to activate your VPN. Don't worry, you can use Proton VPN, which is free and works on both phones and PCs. Any VPN will work fine for this. If you want a free VPN without downloading software, check out my other video. I'll put the link in the description below. I will use the Taiwan server for this video. You can connect to any other country except the banned ones. I'm connected to the Taiwan server now, so let's see if it works. Okay, let's open CapCut. Now, let's try adding an effect to a clip. You can see that the effects are loading without any errors. Now, let's pick an effect and apply it to the clip. So, everything is downloading and working perfectly now. No more network connection errors. Don't forget to keep your VPN active whenever you're using CapCut to avoid any interruptions. Please like and subscribe.